Further, it lays down the maximum period for which the police can detain an under trial prisoner. It states that if during an investigation the accused has been detained for a period extending up to 50% of maximum period of imprisonment for the said offence, he shall be released by the court on his bond with or without securities. Grounds on which bail is granted. The following condition ought to be satisfied by the accused to proceed with the bail application procedure. Number 1. The accused can get an advantage of doubt within the commencement of crime. Number Number 2. Inquiry of the office to verify whether they were involved in the crime is required. Number 3. The offence committed is minor, which does not require imprisonment for 10 years, capacity or death. Regular bail for non-bailable offences. Section 437 deals with the power of the trial court and magistrate in front of whom the police procedure and the offender to grant or refuse bail. However, bail is to be granted for non-bailable offences on the following grounds. Number 1. If the accused is below or at the age of 16 years of age. And number 2. If the accused is a woman. Number 3. If the accused is ill or infirm. Number 4. For habitual offenders, bail is granted only for special reasons. Only a police officer, the officer in charge, can release the accused under Section 437, Subclause 1. In the bail hearing, the magistrate will refuse the bail application if the person is guilty of an offence punishable by death, imprisonment with life, or imprisonment for 7 years or more. Such a person had previously been convicted of an offence punishable with death, imprisonment with life, or imprisonment for 7 years or more. Abatement or conspiracy to commit or grave offences. Certain restrictions are laid down on the accused that are released on bail, which includes: the accused shall attend under the conditions laid down in the bond. The accused shall not commit any offence similar to the one he is currently accused or suspected of. The accused shall not dissuade or discourage any individual acquainted with the fact of the case from testifying before the court or tampering of any evidence. Let's talk about anticipatory bail. Under Section 438 of CRPC, an individual who declines that he may be tried for a non-bailable offence can apply for an anticipatory or advance bail application. The application shall be made to the High Court or Sessions Court.